And we're recording. Hey, everybody. We have a presentation today from Jessica Gaden. Before that, I just want to remind you all to make sure your pre-flights are correct. Alicia sent an email out. If you have any questions or need any help with that, reach out to Michael or myself. That's pretty much all I had, so I will throw this over to Jessica.
Hi. I have to go through my phone because my microphone doesn't work on my computer. But I will show you what I'm going to show you then. Okay, can we see that?
Yep, we can see that.
Okay. I'm just going to show some cool tricks to do for cutouts, mainly for Brainerd, I suppose. You could use it for a life page or any feature page. So the first one I'm going to show you is masking, basically, how to do that really quickly for something so detailed like this. So you just cut out where it would go on the, go over the flag. And then you click select and mask up here. And make sure your brush is large enough so we can just do this really quickly. Okay, or not. 1 second. Okay. Like that. And then with the darker parts here, since that's also covered, you can go to your negative, make it smaller, and go over the darker parts so it doesn't pick up on it. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. That's probably good. And then you can go down here where it says output and do layer mask and push OK. And it looks like crap right now, but it should be fine when you save it and put it on the page. Yeah. So it looks pretty clean like that when it took a minute, if that. So that's one thing you could do that's easy, I guess. And then another one is where the foreground is more blurry. You can cut out that by using this feather feature up here. You probably have to mess with it, but I usually go with like 4 or 5 pixels and then just go around the blurry parts. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like that. And then mask it. And then you can save it again and put on your page. Like that. So it's like sort of like it's over the top, but still blurry, has that a blurry effect still to it. And then the last one is transparency, where it's like you can see through it, but it's also still there, you know? So a way you can do that is cut it out however you want it to, and then just go over what's the transparent part. And then go to your mask layer and go to your brush. And with this, you probably have to mess with the opacity, but I do like 50, 40%. And then you just go over that. Oops, wrong one. So it's still there, but it's lightened. And then you can save it again, and then it'll look like that. The InDesign page, it's on the same screen.
Yeah, I'm just seeing the Photoshop screen.
Oh, weird. Okay. Sorry, I didn't know that. I don't know how to fix that because it's on the same screen.
Are you doing this on 2 different monitors?
No, it's on the same monitor. I'm
Oh,
just switching to the tab.
strange. Okay.
I can turn them in the pictures really quick so you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, so here's the bug one. Can you see that?
Yeah, we can see that now. Yep.
Okay, I'll just do that then. I'm sorry, I don't know why that's being like that. But yeah, so that's what the bug one would look like with the transparency. Like you can still see the text behind it, but you can still also see the wing. And then let me do the castle one. And the castle, blurry bits to it. And then the tree. Its quality is bad because it's a picture now, but you get the idea.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Also, I didn't do this, but for saving your Photoshop files, do it as a TIFF. And make sure that you have Save Transparency on. And use that instead of a Photoshop file. I think that's it.
Thanks. Does anybody have any questions for Jessica?
Sorry, I wasn't aware that you couldn't see my InDesign page. I don't know why.
No worries. Yeah, that was awesome. Thank you, Jessica. So this will be a short meeting. Again, make sure your pre-flights are correct. Yeah, I agree with you, Tanner. Yeah, so make sure your pre-flights are correct. Reach out to Michael or I if you're having issues with that. And yeah, have a great rest of the day, everybody. Thank you.